Besides a simple text block, where you can also add buttons to it, you are also able to add more elements. If we press the right mouse button, you'll also be able to go with a question. A question block allows you to ask a particular question towards your subscriber. If we go to the right and hover over the plus add item, you will see that you will have different types of questions that you can ask. A simple text will be a free input question. You can ask for a particular number, for an email, a particular URL, a phone, a certain date, a certain time or date, a choice, so a multiple choice, location, and you'll also be able to request certain rich media, including images, audio, video files, and regular files. This gives you a lot of options to be able to ask a particular question and also for the user to attach any certain files if you so request. If we go with a regular text, you will see that you will be able to ask your question. Below that, you will be able to save the response of that user inside of any custom field that you have. So let's say we're going to go with the user response in this case. You'll also be able to add answers, so multiple choice answers inside of a text element as well. Or you can also do dynamic answers. Below that, you'll also have a no input feature. So it could be that a user does not answer this question. If we press this, you will be able to see and set the expire of this user input in a certain number of hours, seconds, or minutes. This allows you to prevent the user from getting stuck at this particular element. So let's say we're going with 4 hours. And after that, if the user still did not answer the question, you can always go with an additional input. So upon no input, you can also continue the flow and, for example, send a follow-up message.